With Dr. Peat. Okay, so we're talking about starches and as not being particularly healthy unless in some of the instances that we covered you can make them more digestible and more manageable for your gut to process them. But just so people understand how big an industry the whole starch industry is, especially with the GMO patentable own the seed type of approach to mass producing starch, folks.
And that's what the majority of children eat and crave is starches. So no wonder they need the vaccines. And
if you looked at your packaging and your labeling, you would see all these different numbers would be on there. And there are things like acid-treated starch, alkaline-treated, bleached starch, oxidized starch, monostarch, distarch, phosphated starch, acetylated, hydroxypropylized. The list goes on and on. It's huge. And most of what we're talking about here is not healthy, and it's not, I know it would not pass any kind of scientific rigor for the true definition of good, healthy food. And that's just the beginning. That's the tip of the iceberg. There is actually a grain processing corporation, folks. Okay? It's called the Grain Processing Corporation, if you'd like to look it up online. They produce things like B700 pure corn starch, oxidized starch, stabilized starch, binding coating starch. And the list goes on there too. And it's all about putting this into the food stream, and it's in most of the foods that you will have previously never had these things in.